We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to present a comprehensive expert overview of the large stuffed animal hammock corner, Net Toys Hanging Storage Organizer. This product, offered by the Miralum store, is designed to provide a practical and visually appealing solution for organizing children's stuffed animals and other soft items. Made from 100% premium cotton, this hammock features traditional handmade macrame rope, which ensures durability and maintains the net's shape over time. The material is environmentally friendly, adding to its appeal for families seeking sustainable options. The triangular design measures 41 inches by 41 inches by 55 inches, making it a large storage net that fits neatly into room corners. This design allows it to save floor space effectively by utilizing vertical space, which is especially useful in smaller rooms or apartments. Users have noted that it can be hung in various locations such as living rooms, playrooms, bedrooms, and balconies, providing versatile placement options. The hammock is not only functional, but also serves as a decorative piece with its boho aesthetic. It complements children's room decor, teen dorms, and even can be used to store blankets, pillows, yarn, or as a cat hammock, showcasing its multifunctionality. Installation is straightforward, with all necessary hardware included. The package comes with screw-in hooks that are safer and sturdier than adhesive hooks, ensuring the hammock remains securely mounted and safe for children. Many users have praised the ease of installation, even for those who are not particularly handy. Some have mentioned the need to be cautious with the drill bit size when using wall anchors, recommending a smaller drill bit than the instructions suggest to ensure a snug fit. Performance-wise, the hammock holds a surprisingly large number of stuffed animals or other items without losing shape or sagging. The thick rope and sturdy construction contribute to its ability to support a good amount of weight, which users have found impressive. The color options, particularly the green shade reviewed, blend well with various room themes and add a pleasant visual element. The quality of the cotton material and the macrame craftsmanship is consistently highlighted as robust and high quality. Many reviews emphasize how the hammock helps declutter rooms by providing a designated spot for toys, resulting in cleaner and more organized spaces. Parents have expressed satisfaction with how it keeps stuffed animals off the floor and out of beds, improving safety and tidiness. The hammock also allows children to see and access their toys easily, which adds to its appeal. Some users have noted that the large size can take up considerable space, so placement should be planned accordingly, especially in rooms with windows or limited corner space. Despite this, the hammock's ability to hold and display many stuffed animals makes it a valuable storage solution. The product is washer-resistant, which adds to its convenience and longevity. Overall, the large stuffed animal hammock corner net is a well-made, attractive, and practical storage organizer that meets the needs of families looking to manage toy clutter stylishly. Its ease of installation, durable materials, and multifunctional design make it a highly recommended product. If you have this item, please leave a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. Remember, the product link is in the description and using it supports the channel.